Hey designers, let's create this poster in Photoshop. So, let's get started. We need to have the layers panel here. Now these are the two colors that I'm going to be using. We need to have the blue color as the background color. To fill this background with a blue color, press Alt Backspace on your keyboard to fill this canvas with a blue color. Now go to File, Place Embedded. And these are the images that we are going to be using here. First of all, select this grid image and place it. Increase the size of it and adjust its position on the canvas. Now, I want to invert the colors of it. So, for that go to Image, Adjustments, and Invert. Now change the blending mode from normal to. Let's see what suits best. Soft light looks good here. So, let's select it. Decrease the opacity of it also. Now we need to have the main image here. So, again go to File, Place Embedded. And this is the image to place it. We need to have this girl only in the canvas. So, to select this girl, go to Select, Subject, and it would create a selection of the subject. There are a few things that came extra. We will remove it. Right-click, and select Layer via Copy. Then, we do not need this original image. So, delete this layer. Okay, now adjust the girl. Remove the other things which have come into this image. Take the Polygon Lasso tool, and create a selection like this. Select all the areas that you want to remove from the picture. After selecting it, press Backspace on your keyboard. It will get removed. If still some areas are left, you can use the Eraser tool to remove those. So, let's erase this extra area. Adjust the position of this image and scale it up. Take the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle here. Remove the stroke of the rectangle and give it a fill. Move this rectangle below this main image. Adjust the position of the rectangle if needed. Take the Text tool and paste your text here. Give this text the color of your choice. I am going to give it orange color. Now adjust the text. Create a new layer, and draw a rectangle here with the help of the Marquee tool. Okay, by pressing Shift Command on your keyboard, make another rectangle. We are pressing Shift so that the rectangle that we have made already does not get removed. Then again make another rectangle where the text, Creativity, is written. Now take black color as your foreground color and press Alt and Backspace on your keyboard to fill these three rectangles with black color. Now move this layer on which the rectangles were made below this text layer. We need to link both the rectangle and this text layer, so click on this icon called Link Layers. We are doing it because once we move one of them, we need both of them to move together. Now let's rotate it a bit. Make this text tilted and place it here. Move this layer on top. Now do the required adjustments if needed. I will first of all select this image and this rectangle also and link them so that their positions do not change once we move them. Now press Ctrl-T on your keyboard and scale them up. Also select this text layer, press Ctrl-T and make it bigger as well. Adjust the position of both of them as needed. Now take the text tool again and paste your text here. Adjust the text paragraph spacing and then let's give this text white color. Select DM Now Text and increase the size of it. You can align the text on this canvas by selecting it, pressing Ctrl-A on the keyboard, and then these align options will be enabled. So align them vertically or horizontally, whatever is required. After that, we need to have more elements here, so go to File, Place Embedded, and these are the icons that I have downloaded already. Now we need to remove the white background behind them, so take the magic wand tool and click on it. Now you can see that all the white color that is inside this picture has been selected. If this happens, you need to check the contiguous option on top, so that only the white thing on which we are clicking gets selected. Now first of all, rasterize this image, right-click, rasterize layer, then press backspace on your keyboard to delete the white background. Okay, now take the rectangle marquee tool. First of all, select this heart icon. Right-click, layer via cut, and with the help of the selection tool, move it to one side, scale it down, and adjust its position and rotation. Then again take the rectangle marquee tool, select this shear icon, layer via cut, and also move it with the help of the selection tool. Adjust the scale, position, and rotation as needed. Next, select this message icon, right-click, layer via cut, and move it to the left side, scaling it down. Now, the like icon is left, select it, and move it to the left side as well. Go to File, Place Embedded, and this is the likes picture that I have downloaded already. We only want to have this 1000 likes icon here, so with the help of the quick selection tool, we are going to select it. Select layer via copy, delete the original image, and now adjust the position and scale of it. Okay, let's apply motion blur to a few of these icons. First, let's select the heart icon. Go to Filter, Blur, and select Motion Blur. Now, let's apply motion blur to this message icon as well. Select it, go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, and apply it. So the last step is we're going to place the logo here. Go to File, Place Embedded, and select the logo here. Scale it down and place it inside this orange shade that we had made. And there you have it. Your poster is complete. For more tutorials like this, like it, comment on it, and subscribe to Ace Designs.